Hi, my name is Lynn Schmidt, and I'll be your art appreciation teacher for this semester. In art appreciation, you will learn how to look at a piece of artwork and decide whether or not you like it. But more than that, you're going to be able to give exacting reasons for the reason you like it. It won't be, I like it, it's pretty. I like it, the colors are nice. You're going to be able to get in touch with some of the ideas that that artist creates. The same reason you choose music that you like, you're going to learn how to choose art that you like as well. But to get started, because this is an introduction, I'm going to run through some of the basics of what you need to know. If you're already watching this, then you know how to get into Blackboard. But there are specific things you need to know to navigate this particular classroom. First of all, if you click on the home page, it has what things you need to be doing, and it also has important announcements. Every week, I'm going to have a week to-do list. It is going to tell you when it is due and what time it is due. If you click on this, you're going to see. It will tell you how to get in there and what you're going to need to accomplish. The second place that you need to be aware of is getting started. For the most part, this is going to be your go-to place. The video you are currently watching is going to be under Watch Me First. Then there's going to be a syllabus. You'll click on that. And I'm not going to read it to you, but here it tells you the best way to get in contact with me, which is to text me. If you need to get a hold of my supervisor for any reason, that's found here as well. There also are 3 criteria for this class. One is about written and verbal communication. One is about different disciplines that are created by artists, and one is about art history. Unit 1 is covered in outcome number 1. Unit 2 is covered in outcome number 2. Unit 3 is covered in outcome number 3. We have a variety of assessments. The one that you will do the most, and it counts the most, is vocabulary, homework, quizzes, and assignments. There are 4 major grades that count as 10% of your class. Each of these 4 grades are equivalent to this 1 here. Test 1 covers Unit 1. Test 2 covers Unit 2, and you'll be able to create artwork. Now, don't get worried. Your artwork is graded on the basis of you did it, you tried, or you didn't try. Then you will have a group assignment, and then your final exam will cover Unit 3. You will also have a written assignment toward the end of the class that will cover all of the units. You also have an e-textbook that is required. Now, I always hesitate with this. It is required if you want to make an A. If you don't care if you make an A, then don't bother to get it. There are different ways of accessing this textbook, and I'll go over those later in this video. There are certain policies. You need to have a student ID, either digital or hard copy, by the end of the second week of class. Your makeup policy is it must be with a WCC approved excuse. You can turn in late work, but remember there will be a penalty. And then below that are my personal promises to you for the class. All right, let's go back. This video goes over specific aspects. If you are not used to working in Blackboard, I will go into detail on that. Next is the instructor information. I will be available Monday through Tuesday. My class hours are here. The colored in areas are when I will not be available for students. Again, the best way to get me is via text. This I've already gone over. The course calendar tells you what will be due and when. Here you see the first week we are covering 2 chapters. The bold are major projects and when those are due. Here's that required textbook. You can get it in the bookstore or you can simply click on Cengage.com. When you get to Cengage.com, you'll simply scroll down. Under Student Resources, you're going to click on Compare Options. Now, you only need an e-textbook, but let's see if I click there. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to type in Understanding Art as a student. Here is our textbook. And since you just need to e-textbook, it's right down here. You click this, making sure that's not. Scroll down. I guess I'm going to have to click that. Oh, buy now. You don't want to get this, you just want this. And then you click here. Once you have purchased your book, then you'll go back to here and you will go to, actually I'm going to go here. Let's see if that'll take me back to where I want to be. It does. Go to coursework and then you will click here. When you click here, you will fill in the information and put in your access code. You'll do that whether you buy it online or if you buy it via the college bookstore. These tell you what you need to have for the class, and also how to connect to the internet. If you have any problems with Blackboard, here are the information you need. Also, if you want to see if your computer will work well on Blackboard, here is your access. I strongly recommend my students to get Blackboard for mobile app for their device. If you click here, it will take you to being able to access that. I look forward to seeing you on our first day. Have a blessed day.